Hello and welcome to Quick Tips 2. Google Gemini is an AI assistant that can help with productivity and creativity. Today I'm going to show you how to set Google Gemini as the default assistant on your Android phone. First, make sure that you've downloaded and installed the Google Gemini app on your phone. Next, open the Google app on your phone, tap your profile picture or initial in the top right corner, then tap on Settings. Next, tap on Google Assistant. Scroll up and tap Digital Assistants from Google. Here you can choose your preferred digital assistant from Google. At the moment it is set to Google Assistant. I will switch it to Gemini. Now tap on Switch. Then tap on More at the bottom of the screen. Tap Continue. Now on More, More again. Finally tap on Use Gemini. All done. Google Gemini is now my default assistant instead of Google Assistant. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below the video. With Quick Tips 2, knowledge has no limits.